London real estate never stops, and neither do I. I'm Lucia and this is our Century 21 London Central Office in Westminster. Come with me. I'm actually filming this on Sunday, so it's just me. I love to start my day with a cup of coffee, and first thing in the morning I do early phone calls and emails in the office, and then until late afternoon I have viewings, usually whole day or meetings, so comfort for me is non-negotiable. Hi, it's Lucia from Century 21 Estate Agents. How are you? Good. I'm really good. Thank you for asking. I'm calling you back because you inquired about two-bedroom apartment to let at Principal Tower. Yes, exactly. Perfect. My final email for this morning is done, and now I can finish my coffee, and then I have to run across Westminster to do a couple of viewings. Unfortunately, I can't drive because there is no parking space available everywhere, and therefore I need to do a lot of steps. I do probably around 10,000 steps a day, and it looks everything so close on the map, but trust me, it's not, and not especially in London. If you're working as an estate agent, you need comfortable shoes, and that's why I rely on a Cozy Island brand. Cozy Island shoes are stylish and comfortable. They are made from sustainable material. They have a cushions and art support, which is absolutely amazing, and I really love those shoes. Therefore, I will leave you discount code in the description box. Go and check it out. Their website, they have a lot of different styles, heels, also sandals or boots. So trust me, you need comfortable shoes, especially in London. We must go for viewings now, so let's go. I finished viewing at the Regency Street, and now we need to go to Kingsgate Walk, which is around 10 minutes away, and we need to walk, so let's go. I'm on Victoria Street at Kingsgate Walk, and I arrived a few minutes earlier as always, because as an estate agent you need to open blinds, turn on lights and make the property cozy and representable. They really like the flat, however they want to explore more options, and now I'm going to send them another properties for sale, but in the meantime I need to run to Principal Tower in the city, so let's use tube. The fastest way to go for my viewing in city is to use the tube. Otherwise you will be stuck in the traffic if you go by car, especially if you cannot park there. Let's go. What do you think, guys? Would you like to live on 33rd floor? This Principal Tower has amazing views. Look at this. London skyline. You can see Canary Wharf from here. Absolutely stunning. And now it's time for lunch, so let me take you to my favorite place for tune-up. Okay, come with me. Enjoy. Now I'm back to the office, and let's do some admin work. A big part of my day isn't just showing beautiful homes, it's what happens behind the scenes. I'm constantly negotiating offers, speaking with landlords, managing expectations, and chasing paperwork. If I don't chase solicitors, nothing will be sold. Hi John, it's Lucia from Century 21 Estate Agents. How are you? Good, perfect, thank you. Yes, so thank you for your offer from today's viewing. I have spoken to the landlord, and the landlord is considering your offer. However, instead of putting higher rent, he asked if it's possible to move in a couple of days earlier. Yes, so then there will be no void period, and also you have some extra few days for setting up your furniture, moving things and so on. Okay, perfect, so you can do it. Amazing. Okay, let me go back to the landlord and I will be in touch shortly. Thank you. Thank you. Speak soon. Bye. Every deal is different, so you need to be fast and clear what you want to achieve, because there is a lot of back and forward until something is signed. I'm just waiting for one of my landlords who decided to sell his property and currently is rented and managed by Century 21. So until he comes, I just prepare what we will do with his property. Of course, what we always do is to stage property, as this is absolutely something amazing. Once the property is staged, you can imagine how it looks when you want to move in. Then we will do professional photography, floor plan, 360 virtual tour, and walkthrough video tour. It's crucial to advertise on all major portals and Century 21 global website to attract international buyers. I specialize in social media to increase exposure of the property worldwide beyond normal platforms. After running whole day, oh my god, it's almost 5:30 p.m. and I can't complain because I had the most comfortable shoes ever. So Cozy Island, definitely recommend. And actually, if you would like to become an estate agent and you would like to join my team in Century 21 and be part of my team, just contact me. See you. Bye. Yes, I can drive in heels. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I hope that I will see you in my next one. Bye!